Hey everyone, it's Jim with Your Internet Lifestyle, and I want to do kind of a, bonus training today to show you how to capture buyers' email addresses as an affiliate. Okay, so one of the big challenges when you're doing affiliate marketing is that the product seller is the one who typically collects the buyer email and contact information, right? Because somebody like you make videos and refer people to the traffic, or you make videos and basically generate the traffic to an offer, right? And sometimes people, see your video or whatever, and then they go buy the product, and that person goes on to the list of whoever made the product, right? So you kind of, as the affiliate, don't get to collect that contact information. Okay, there are a couple of ways where it is somewhat possible with like JVZoo and stuff like that, but I'll just show you today a cool trick that you can use to do this yourself without having to have any special autoresponder or anything like that. And so the way I do it is basically by capturing leads who want to claim my bonuses, right? So I always make a bonus page for the products I promote, and you should too, right? Rather than just promoting the product and not giving bonuses, you really kind of greatly increase the chances that some of your buyers that actually buy through your link are going to refund. Having bonuses kind of helps seal the deal. Like sometimes the bonuses are enough to get somebody to say, all right, I think with these bonuses, I definitely want to get this product. And the other thing it does is it reduces the refunds. So that's a good thing because you're basically being scored as an affiliate based on how many sales to refunds you have. And so you really don't want a lot of refunds, right? Otherwise, it's going to be really hard to get accepted to promote products on places like Warrior Plus. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do this. It's simple, it's totally unobtrusive, and that's a big word. I don't know where that came from, but basically, it's a cool method. So what I do, okay, so in this case, I am working on the bonus information for a product called Optimized, which is coming out pretty soon, tomorrow. And so if you're promoting a product on either JVZoo or Warrior Plus, then when you get approved to promote, you'll be able to click and go in and see like exactly what your affiliate link is. And then in JVZoo, it looks a little different, but there's basically a bonus area where you paste the URL that is going to be where these people go to get the bonus you've included, right? The bonuses you've created, right? And so I use Commission Gorilla to make my bonus pages, right? And so after you've created a bonus page, we're not going to go through that process. I mean, this is all just about creating or capturing those leads as an affiliate, those people who buy. Okay. But one thing that will happen after you've created your bonus page in Commission Gorilla is then when you're done and you're ready to go, then basically you've got a few links, right? You've got, here's the bonus page that you're going to go to that customers will see. Here's the link where you're going to send people to claim their bonuses, okay? Now, whether you use Commission Gorilla or not, doesn't matter. Okay, you may create, like I did for a long time, just create your bonus pages right on your website. So most of mine for a long time were on just the yourinternetlifestyle.com website. And so I just had a special page where I would send people after, in the URL. And so you just copy that, right? And you paste that into this link settings area for the bonus. Now, that's just going to take them straight to collect their bonuses. They're not going to, you're not going to get a chance to know who they are or collect their email information if you do it this way. So here's what we're going to do instead. Okay, we're going to keep this link handy here, right? Because ultimately this is the page we want to send these people to, but we're just going to build kind of a bridge page in between where they have to sign in essentially to claim their bonuses, okay? And the simple way to do this is just to go into your autoresponder, right? And so here, let's just walk through this, right? I'll make one just for these guys. Now, I have another way of doing this too, but I just wanted to show this method because I'm going to start using this because it's cool because I can track it by the product. So we'll name this the product that we're promoting, in this case optimized, okay? List URL, this is just your website. Okay, description. Claiming my bonuses for optimized. Okay. Add a list. Okay, so that's going to be in here now. Now what we're going to do is basically go down here. Now your autoresponder may be different, right? But they all have the same concept where you create a list and then you make a form for that list where people sign up to join your email list, right? And so in here, we just go to this site thing. Okay. And forms. Okay, and I'm just going to create a form. It's going to be called optimized. And I don't really have any options for anything fancy, so that's fine. Subscribe to a list, and I will put them on the optimized list. Create. Okay, so now we just want to make a couple edits to the form. Okay, so now what I like to do is just say, okay, this thing is a little bit of a pain. Okay, here we go. We don't need that stuff. There we go. Okay. Sign in to claim your bonuses. Okay, so just make it kind of like a sign-in form. All right, and then it's got name and email. You know, with my subscription plan on ActiveCampaign, I could actually, ConvertKit has a pretty smooth way of doing this as well, but that's my other autoresponder service, but they're going to have their branding on it. I don't really care. It's fine, right? So sign in to claim your bonuses. I don't need to get too fancy here. Okay, so then what we're going to do is just go to the options over here. Now yours may look different, you know, if you're using GetResponse or MailChimp or Aweber, but you may have to just dig around. But basically, there's a few steps you're doing here. You're creating a list that is specific to the product you're promoting, okay? You're building a form for people to sign up to that list, okay? And then with that form, you're basically going to point the person after they sign up to go to the bonus area to claim their bonuses, okay? So instead of doing this where it says show thank you, I want to open a URL, okay? And that's where I go back over here to Commission Gorilla, copy this, okay? This is where they go to get their bonus. So you see how that works? Like, so they're gonna, okay, well, let me just finish here. And then we'll walk through exactly what happens. Okay, so integrate, this is fine. And then what's gonna happen is I'm just gonna choose this link. Now, you have this option too, like basically the autoresponder service will just host the form for you. You don't have to embed it anywhere or put it on a website. So this is what's gonna happen is I've got a link now. Okay, if I paste this in and we open it, sign in to claim your bonuses. Actually, I probably could have put something like for optimized, you know, just to tailor it, right? And make sure people know. But now I just copy that link. So now what's going to happen is inside the affiliate area, when people go to claim their bonus, they're going to go to that page. Okay. See how that works? So now what's going to happen is they're going to go in to Warrior Plus, and when they go to the product page for something they've bought, you might be familiar with this. There's a little blue button that says access your bonus. They click that button, then what's going to happen is this will open. Okay. They fill in their email information, right? And now we go to the bonus page. Okay. So that's how you capture those buyers' emails in an easy way without having to worry about, losing those. So you can build a buyer's email list even as an affiliate, and that's one way to do it. So hopefully you found that helpful, and we will see you in the next video.